Okay, let's talk about importing SVG files which you have prepared in Illustrator or in any other vector program. How you should prepare them before importing them into Plasticity, what kind of problems you might run into and how you can fix them. So first things first, let's go to Illustrator. Here I have taken the logo of our channel. Plasticity detects the artboard. So let's give this guy another artboard. Let's say not custom, but A4. And here in Plasticity, let's import it by going to import append. Now you can see that the logo is somewhere here. It's not in this at the center. And the reason for that is that Plasticity detects, like I said, the artboard of the SVG file. Change it to its original size and import it. You can see that now the logo is exactly at the edge of the main axis. So that's one thing you should be mindful of. So let's say you have such a situation and you import it like so. So don't wonder why this guy is somewhere here. But that's not a big deal. Even if you are dealing with such a situation, you can simply drag it to the center. But that's just the formal thing. Let's talk about the vector file itself. So first of all, if you select all the objects, you will see that there aren't any strokes because I want my artwork to be flattened. Even if you use a stroke in your artwork, Plasticity won't recognize the thickness of the stroke. So let's say we have a stroke like so. Let's take this guy, give it a stroke instead of a fill and make it thick. And if you import it into Plasticity, Plasticity will not recognize the thickness of the stroke you have given in Illustrator. There shouldn't be any effects from Illustrator, no strokes whatsoever. Everything, your artwork should be flattened out completely. Another thing you should consider is deleting redundant stuff which will only cause needless overlappings. This is a circle with the same diameter as the inner part of this yellow circle. So if we import it like this, you will see that there are overlapping circles. So this is one circle, and underneath this circle is another circle. So to avoid such confusion, you can delete redundant stuff and import it like this. So everything is cleaner and you know what you are dealing with. So another thing you should avoid in Illustrator are situations like this. And if you import it like this, the cleanup process in Plasticity will be longer. In some cases, it might even give you some error when you try to join them. I will first show you how it looks like if we import it like this. Here the confusion starts right away. So if you want to join this, you have to make some cleaning work, trim this guy, and here also. And here starts the confusion. Just merge the parts together in Illustrator. And it's much more comfortable to work with such a file later on. And the same for this guy. And also unite them not like this with exactly overlapping edges. It's better to have an intersection like this one than an overlapping like this one. That's what I wanted to say. So if you look now in outline mode, you can see that this looks much cleaner. And if we import the clean version, we can start working with this one right away without any trimming and cleaning and whatnot. You can go to face mode and start modeling in 3D right away.